My name is Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to assemble the mainframe. I'm also going to prep it for installation. I'm going to begin with the jamb and the track. You'll know which way the jamb faces by the orange label or where the little pre-punched holes are at, being closer to the bottom. Before applying sealant, wipe all the ends of the mainframe off with denatured alcohol. Once all frames have been wiped off, apply a continuous bead of sealant on the ends of all your frames, above the pre-punched holes, and up the riser of the track. I'm now going to assemble the jamb to the track. To prevent damage to the frame, hand tighten the assembly screws with a screwdriver. I am now ready to assemble the right jamb to the track. Follow the same steps on the right jamb. Wipe off the end, apply your sealant, and assemble the jamb to the track. Hand tighten the screws to prevent damage to the frame. I'm now going to follow the same steps when I fasten the left jamb and the right jamb to the frame header. To determine the exterior and the interior of the frame, your weep holes for the weep gates will face the exterior, and the riser of the track will face the interior. Once frame is assembled, apply a bead of sealant on all four corners of the mainframe, tool in the sealant, and then apply sealant to the end dams. Once sealant is on the end dams, adhere it to the jamb and the track. So to recap, in this video we assembled the frame, and now we're ready to install it into our masonry opening.